Alright, we have the unboxing of Satan himself, Little Godzilla. Rape! Anyway, let's get this sucker open. Damn you child-proof boxes. I was looking for Mugera when I found him, but there's no Mugera. I still don't have Mugera, but there is one left of him, so I just couldn't resist. So, and he was one of the cheaper ones. Tape. Whoa! Crystals are flying! Crystals are flying! Anyway. There's a little guy. Dare I say it, he might actually look better than the suit, even more realistic, which is kind of cool and also kind of sad. His mouth opens and closes. It's a little tight, but whatever. His wrists move. Good detail. Legs, you can make him sit. His little legs sit. Tail, stubby tail, can get slight movement out of it. Very good movements on his chest. Nice bosoms. Never mind. Yeah, let's see what he comes with. Actually, it shows on the box. Yes, his prison, where Satan belongs. Anyway, let's see how this works. Bear with me. Hurry up! I am. Okay, let me just use a reference here. Okay, so you put these both together. Sort of. I guess it doesn't matter. These crystals now, they kind of look like Space Godzilla's turds. Well, never mind. They stick in these holes somehow. Oh, okay. Find the right hole, win a prize. I'm only seeing holes for 2 of them. Kind of weird. Well, this is where he worships the grand Lucifer. And I'll have to figure out these other ones. But anyway, yeah. Little Godzilla. So good, it's a sin.